Hi everyone, welcome back to FAMCO. My name is Miguel and I'm the manufacturing manager. Today we're going to be talking about our flush valve vent. This is a product that we had for a while, but we made some improvements. Like the original design, this includes a damper, a gasket, screen, and pre-drill holes for mounting. The new design has 3 improvements. First improvement we did was a drip edge. The second improvement we moved the pre-drill holes from the corners to under the damper. The last improvement we did is that we added a magnet to prevent the noise when not in use. The flush valve vent is great for exhaust applications like bath, kitchen, and dryer. For those wanting to limit the look of a hood, we recommend the flush valve vent. The flush valve vent is made of zinc-aluminum, galvanized steel, and paint lock. For more information, please visit our website, famcofmfg.com, or if you'd like to place an order, send an email to sales@famcofmfg.com. Thanks for watching.